Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all having a great time. Today we'll make a simple non-sticky and fluffy upma which you can easily make in under 20 minutes. This is good for tiffins as well as it stays soft for a longer time. So let's jump right into the recipe. Here I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of ghee into a hot pan along with 1 cup of semolina or rava. This is normal semolina which is not pre-roasted. Keeping the flame low, slowly roast until sooji grains become fragrant and start to look dry, separate and crisp. The semolina should not change its color. For me, it took around 6 to 8 minutes. Since this step is slightly time consuming, this can be done well in advance. Even for the entire batch of rava that you have bought and store it in an airtight container. Once done, switch off the flame, transfer it onto a plate and keep it aside for a while. For vegetables, I am using a small piece of onion, capsicum, carrot, ginger and 2 green chilies. If you have frozen green peas, that can also be added. Roughly chop all the vegetables into small pieces. As the pan turns hot, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Into it goes half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add curry leaves and red chilies. Now add vegetables along with salt. Stir well and let it get cooked completely. Once done, for 1 cup of semolina, add 1 3/4 cup of water. Cover and let the water come to a boil. As the water starts to boil, add semolina slowly in batches. Keep stirring so that no lumps are formed. Keep the flame low and continue stirring until all the water is gone and it starts to stick to the bottom. Now switch off the flame, cover it with the lid and let it set undisturbed for another 5 minutes. Give it a good mix and separate lumps if any so that our upma is separate and fluffy. Now it is ready to be served. Chutneys, pickles and idli podi goes well with upma. Here I am having it with leftover egg curry gravy. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.